In this lecture, we will discuss how to use recordings and structured feedback to analyze and improve your speech delivery over time. Self-evaluation and external critique are valuable tools for refining vocal clarity, body language, and audience engagement. Whether speaking in person or virtually, reviewing and refining performance strengthens overall effectiveness. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how to use recordings to assess and improve speech delivery, techniques for evaluating strengths and weaknesses, strategies for implementing feedback to improve future speeches, using recordings to assess and improve speech delivery. Recording a speech allows speakers to identify areas for improvement that may not be noticeable in real time. This method provides objective insights into voice control, pacing, articulation, and body language. Benefits of recording speeches. Identifies vocal habits, helps detect filler words, unclear enunciation, or monotone delivery. Reveals body language and gestures. Allows assessment of posture, movement, and facial expressions. Improves pacing and clarity. Highlights areas where speech is rushed or unclear. Increases audience awareness. Shows how effectively engagement is maintained. Steps for effective speech. Review. Record speeches regularly using a phone, camera, or virtual meeting software. Watch the playback and take notes on strengths and areas for improvement. Compare multiple recordings over time to track progress. Adjust speech patterns, tone, and delivery based on observations. Evaluating strengths and weaknesses. A structured approach to self-evaluation helps speakers develop a more refined and impactful delivery. Evaluation criteria, clarity and pronunciation. Is the speech easy to understand? Are words articulated properly? Pacing and pauses. Is the speech too fast or too slow? Are pauses used effectively? Tone and vocal variety. Does the speech sound engaging or is it monotonous? Body language and gestures. Do movements complement or distract from the message? Connection with the audience. Is the delivery natural and engaging? Methods for self-evaluation. Use a checklist. Create a structured rubric to assess delivery objectively. Time the speech. Ensure it stays within the intended duration without rushing or dragging. Identify improvement areas. Focus on specific elements rather than making broad changes. Implementing feedback to improve future speeches. Constructive feedback from peers, mentors, or audience members helps refine speech quality. Best practices for receiving feedback: seek a variety of opinions. Gather input from individuals with different perspectives. Request specific critiques. Instead of general impressions, ask about clarity, engagement, and delivery. Stay open to constructive criticism. View feedback as a tool for growth rather than personal criticism. Apply changes gradually. Focus on improving one or two aspects at a time instead of overhauling the entire approach. Ways to incorporate feedback effectively. Practice revisions and implement suggested improvements in future recordings. Compare feedback from different sources to identify recurring patterns. Set measurable goals for refining tone, clarity, and engagement.